Today, we'll be making Italian donuts called Zeppole. All the ingredients and measurements will be found below. To a pot, add in water, butter, salt, and we'll stir till this melts. Once the butter has melted, we'll add in flour. Mix the flour until fully incorporated. Once mixed, remove from the heat. Continue to mix so that the mixture can cool down before adding our eggs. We'll add 4 eggs, 1 at each time. It will seem very wet, but keep mixing and the dough will come together. Continue with the remaining eggs. Now place your mixture into a piping bag so that we can pipe the donuts. Pipe your donuts on parchment paper on your baking tray. Bake the donuts at 400 for 30 minutes. In the meantime, to your stand mixer, add in heavy cream, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. Mix on high until you get stiff peaks. And there you have your filling. Once your donuts have cooled, cut it in half. Add in your whipped cream filling, today I'll also be using strawberries, but you can use any fruit you'd like. Dust with icing sugar, and there you have it, delicious Italian donuts. Enjoy!